Thought I'd come out and check them again, girls. Check the girls again. I just, yeah. Yeah, here we are. And it's warmed up to about 50 degrees. And I thought I'd come take one more look at the bees because they're out here working. Looks like they're bringing some paper out from whenever we had some pollen patties in there in the winter time. So they're hauling that trash out while it's warm. And all 4 colonies are basically out doing whatever they need to do, which is good. I was going to go into them this afternoon and maybe add a syrup feeder, but I'm a little concerned it might freeze one more time. And it didn't get as warm as they predicted. They predicted about 60 degrees, I guess. It's only about 51, and I don't know how long that's going to last. Maybe not too long. But let's listen to them a little bit. See if we can hear them. Let them work that paper. I wonder, can you hear them at all? Well, there it is. Hold that paper out. These girls over here are busy too. Don't know what they're doing. This one here, a little slow to come out this afternoon. I don't know whether they're coming out or not. That's a smaller colony. I hope they've made it. They made it yesterday. Hopefully today they'll be out again. Who knows? In the meantime, these girls are doing their job. Was that pollen I saw on them? Oh, kind of blurry there. Let's see if we can sharpen that up. You're getting it, hauling it out. Out with that trash. We don't need this anymore. Yeah, I think I'll open these up as soon as it's warm enough. There's some pollen coming in, look at that. As soon as it's warm enough for a few hours, I'll go ahead and open them up and see what's going on. Yeah, there's some right now on that one there. I saw one coming out. Yeah, flying around there. Oh, they like to use that little crack there for entrance. Yeah, it doesn't quite match up there. But hopefully, there was one. Hopefully, hopefully. Yeah, I think they've made it. There's some still going in and out. That's a good thing. Let the season begin.